In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Jira to Tableau. Connecting these two powerful tools can greatly enhance your data analysis capabilities by allowing you to visualize your Jira data in Tableau. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Jira.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a menu. Look for the option labeled Apps and click on it. This is where you can find additional tools and integrations to enhance your Jira experience. After you've clicked on Apps, your next step is to explore more options. You'll see an option that says Explore More Apps. Click on that, and it will take you to a marketplace filled with various plugins and connectors that can be integrated with Jira. In the search bar, type in Tableau and hit Enter. This search will bring up all the relevant applications related to Tableau that you can use with Jira. Among the results, you should see an option called Tableau Connector for Jira. This is the tool that will bridge the gap between Jira and Tableau, allowing you to transfer your data seamlessly. Click on Tableau Connector for Jira to open its details page. Here, you can learn more about the features and benefits of this connector. Once you're ready to proceed, look for the button that says Try It Free and click on it. This will allow you to test out the connector without any initial cost, giving you a chance to see how it works with your data. Now you'll be prompted to select a site to install the connector on. Choose the appropriate site from the drop-down menu and click on Review. This step is crucial as it ensures that the connector is installed on the correct instance of Jira. Once you've reviewed your selection, go ahead and click on Start Free Trial. This will initiate the installation of the Tableau connector on your Jira account. You can now start using it to export your data from Jira to Tableau, where you can create stunning visualizations and reports. And that's it. You've successfully connected Jira to Tableau. By following these steps, you can leverage the power of both platforms, enhancing your data analysis and project management processes. Remember, visualizing your data can provide you with better insights and help you make more informed decisions. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy data analyzing.